Hello, dear Family First families. Today, April 8, 2026. On the Family Life Skills calendar, science is everywhere. Today is Science Experiment Day, a chance to explore, experiment, and discover something amazing. Turn your home into a mini laboratory. Try a baking soda volcano, floating eggs, or even magic milk experiments. Unleash your inner scientist. Ask questions, test ideas, and make discoveries. Every experiment boosts curiosity, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Science isn't just about learning, it's about having fun together. So grab some household items and let's make learning come alive. Every great scientist starts with one question. What will you discover today? Thank you for joining us. See you tomorrow. Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today. Celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best.